make my heart, you make my heart, you
What's good, boys and girls? This your boy Keemart, the Fresh Boy, and today's video I want to show you another cop video. You don't know what time it is. Shoot, yes, cop video. People pulling over, you know what I'm saying? Probably speeding, probably doing something they're supposed to do on the road. So, buddy, pulling them over. Hey, shoot, driver license, ID. You know, it's just that simple. Just show it to the police your ID, your driver license, and explain to you why you got pulled over. But people take it the hard way instead do the easy way. So yeah, so I'm gonna do the little reaction, upload these little things. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that like, subscribe, tell the button on, comment below, and share your family. And do not forget that subscribe button because it will help the channel a lot. And hit me on Instagram and TikTok. Show your boys some love. All boys and girls, so let's get to it, this video. Alright, mom misses son birthday after a bad decision. And it was on July the 13th, 2024. So this was last year. Hit that light. You already know what time it is. Hit that light. Put full screen. Put that baby up, like up, and y'all see very clear. And let's get to it.
On July 13th, 2024, an officer pulled over a vehicle for having window tint that was too dark.
Oh.
So this isn't your vehicle, or this?
Oh. Window too dark. It's like certain state don't allow that. Some state do. I don't know. Do certain state allow dark tint windows? I don't know. Y'all can't be like which state should allow it. Cause I know some state don't allow it. Cause it be. Hold on. If it don't be too dark, you good. But it be like dark, you not good. That means you gonna get pulled over. Cause if officer can't see that who in the car, who what. Yeah, I think that's how it's supposed to go, right? Y'all let me know.
Is it? Yeah. What's the issue?
My son's party is about to start. I'm in a rush.
The more you work with me, the faster I can get you out of here. That's what I'm trying to get. So, what's your date of birth?
2492.
Okay. And what's your social?
I don't have my social on hand. I don't know about.
Do you know like the last four? You don't know any part of your social?
No.
None.
I know 593. The first three.
That's good. Okay. All right. So now I gotta try to find you because you don't have your driver's license on you. So obviously I gotta do some additional work. But
I'm gonna miss.
like I said, the more you work, man. No. What?
You have everything?
Yes, but I need you to wait out here for me.
It's hot. Why do you need me to wait out
Wait in the
here?
shade.
I have AC.
I understand that. Just wait in the shade for me, though.
Why do I have to stand out here?
Oh my God, sweetheart.
This is what I'm talking about.
See,
the sooner you let me do my job, the sooner I can get you out of here.
So I can sit in my car now?
No, once I...
She had one job, to be quiet, tell the officer information about herself, stand right there, and then let the officer do your job, ma'am. When the officer do that, then you go to your son's birthday party. The birthday party ain't go no freaking where. All you gotta say, like, son, baby boy, I'm sorry I missed your birthday party. You know what I'm saying? I was an hour late, or like something like that. Then I got pulled over. You know what I'm saying? Now she made it so stuff freaking difficult. It's people like this make stuff difficult for officers. It's crazy.
Go back and confirm everything's good with you, then I will let you go back in your car depending on what I find. Alright? Like I said, just let me do my job so I can get you out of here.
Exactly. It ain't that hard. Let the officer do his job.
She's just being different. Evernisha, do you have a medical marijuana card?
Yeah.
Okay. But do you have Evernisha, this way. I'm trying to talk to you. This is what I'm talking about. It's going to take longer. The longer you don't answer my
get off the
question.
phone.
Okay, thank you. So you have a medical marijuana, but you don't have it on you. Okay, is it valid?
I went out last night. I'm not sure. I went out last night and I searched my stuff. I'm not sure.
Okay. So, I'm not sure like what the status is, if it's expired or valid or anything. Okay. Is there any marijuana in the car?
No.
Okay. Do you mind if I just look, make sure there's nothing in there? Because it smells like
Check
that.
my car.
Check it for marijuana. Just make sure there's nothing.
Smell like marijuana. Just making up stuff.
You just said you smoked last night.
I didn't say I smoked last night. I searched my car for last night.
Okay. So is there any in there?
No, there's no marijuana.
I'm gonna search it. Am I gonna find any?
I just said there's no marijuana. I'm gonna take my car.
You're good. You can wait right here. Everything wait.
I'm gonna get my car. I'm getting my
Put
purse.
it back in there. I don't want
That's nothing. I don't want you going in my purse. My personal stuff.
Listen to me right now.
What are you doing?
You can't go through your stuff if you touch that.
Give me my wallet.
This was inside your purse.
Give me my wallet.
This is
What
inside
are
your
you
purse.
doing?
Inside your purse.
You're going in handcuffs right now. So
Sir, okay.
Put
okay.
your hands.
Go ahead.
Put your hands behind
Go
you.
ahead.
I understand.
No,
You're going in
please.
handcuffs. Ebenezer, listen to me. Listen to me.
Listen.
Then
Oh my
relax.
goodness.
We're past that. Because you're not listening.
Just
We're
listen.
past that.
Please, they hurt.
Ebenezer, stop.
Resisting.
Abnesia. That's a cute
Stop
name,
resisting.
Abnesia.
Please don't put me in handcuffs.
We're past that.
Abnesia.
What the f*** I know.
You're just being detained right now because you're not listening.
I wasn't.
He told you not to go into your purse, and you went into your purse.
I'm getting arrested for no reason. There's no
You're not
marijuana
arrested,
in my
you're just
car.
detained.
You're not getting arrested,
That's it.
sweetheart.
You let my arm go.
You gonna stay right here?
I asked for my wallet.
You want to take a seat? If you take a seat, I'll let go of your arm. It's up to you.
I'm not sitting.
Okay.
You could let my arm go. I'm not doing that.
Because you're walking back to your car.
He's searching my car for no reason.
You don't get to use your phone.
Oh.
Listen, you do not get to use
Okay,
your
I'm
phone.
putting it in my pocket. I'm putting
Stop.
it up. I'm putting it up. I'm putting my phone up.
Get the phone.
Let my phone go. What are you
Alicia,
doing?
you're going to be arrested for resisting.
Taking my
Give me that.
phone.
Son, you cannot make any calls while you're in custody.
Put it in my pocket. Can you
I'm
put
going to give it
in
to
my
this
pocket?
officer right now, or I'll put it in the...
Just put it in your purse.
Yeah.
That's fine.
What the f- is
You
wrong
cannot
with
make any
y'all?
calls when you're in protective custody. You understand that? Because I can't have you making phone calls with all the people here. Okay? Just listen to what we're saying. That's all you have to
Just
all you have to do is
listen,
to what
girl.
we're saying. That's it.
Listen. Oh my
And then you're gonna be in
goodness.
handcuffs if you were in
For no
school.
reason. It don't smell like marijuana. You just making up.
She made stuff too difficult. Like, elite. How you say her name? I forgot her name now already. Cause she acting ignorant. Shoot. Listen to the officer. She had one job. One freaking job. All she gotta do is be quiet and
Stuff to search in my car.
What did I make up that your car's been?
My car does not smell like marijuana. He's making that up. Just to search my
If I
car.
let go of your arm, you're gonna be cool. You're gonna stay put.
Yes, I'm not doing that.
Okay.
Searching my car for no reason. There's no marijuana in my car.
What's your first name? Is that Renisha?
Or is her name Ashley? Because you're saying your wallet, and magically I find an ID that says Ashley on it.
oh,
Ashley, what's going on? I'm just trying to get you on your way here, and you're lying to me at every step of the way.
Ashley. Her name Ashley.
Please, it's my son's birthday party. Please.
Ashley, I tried to work with you, and you obstructed me at every
Can I
step
call
of the
my mom?
way.
I'm gonna miss my son's birthday party.
No, you cannot.
Oh my God. Please.
Oh wow.
I'm gonna miss
You
my
lied
son's
about your
birthday party.
name. First I thought that was her name. Like, okay, that's a cute name, but now her name Ashley.
Can I call my mom?
All
My
right.
son's birthday party is today.
Well, so you're gonna miss that birthday party.
Oh, probably. Yeah, you can give it to me.
Yeah, go in the back seat of the car.
Can I call my mom?
We'll get to that.
She's expecting me.
You going to jail?
I'm gonna miss my son's party.
Can you be honest with me? I would like to talk.
Party.
Okay.
You already pat her down. Nothing.
I just pay her pockets down.
I'm just losing words.
Let's see. Okay. Let's try this again. You said you're gonna be honest with me, right? Okay.
Be honest.
What's your first name?
Ashley.
Okay. All right, Ashley.
Ashley.
At this point in time,
I told my mom we're gonna be
you
late for the party.
listen, you are going to be under arrest for
I'm gonna miss my son's
giving
party.
false information
I
to
need
me.
to call my mom.
Okay, so we'll get to that, but right now you're under arrest.
Okay, can I get my phone?
On your birthday party.
So I'm just gonna not show up for my son's party?
Yes, you're
Nope.
being arrested.
You getting
But I
arrested?
need to let my mom know.
You're an adult. You can let her know later. You're
I don't want to say.
You should.
Please, can I please call my mom?
right now.
I'm gonna miss my son's party.
Okay. Why would you lie to us at the beginning? Like, why lie to us about who you are?
Ah, goodness. You messed up.
Can you please get my phone so I can call my mom?
You cannot make any phone calls right now.
How long would this, what am I gonna risk?
It's going to be as long as it takes to get this done. I still don't understand why you would lie to us about who you are and what your name is. You do know that that's illegal, right? And that's an arrestable offense?
I need my phone.
You cannot make any phone calls right now. I told you that.
I need to let my mom know I'm not coming to the
I'm
party.
telling you, you are not making any phone calls right now.
D95 the RO, and that is going to be the correct information, and I'll have 11015 for writing false info.
So why can't I get my phone to call my mom?
Because you're being detained right now. You can't make any phone calls to anybody. That's the whole issue that I personally had with you when you brought your phone out when we had you in cuffs, is because you can't make any phone calls because we don't need you to call anyone or have any family or friends to come in.
My son's birthday
You have to
party.
call her right now. It could be
The
later.
party is about to start in 30 minutes. I was on my way leaving work.
All right, well, when we get situated, if he wants to let you call your mom, then he'll let you call your mom.
I want to see what he's going through while he's looking through my phone.
You better stay seated, okay?
What is he going through? Why can't I see what he's looking through?
Because you're being detained right now, so you don't.
Okay, but he's going through my stuff.
Yeah, he's searching for marijuana.
There's no marijuana in there. I don't
Okay.
smoke.
Well, once he's done searching, then he'll come back here.
Jeez.
5.
Can I call my mom?
Not right now.
I'm gonna miss my son's birthday party.
I'm sorry?
I'm gonna miss my son's birthday.
I understand, but we're talking about this right now. That's
Okay.
okay. So do you want to talk to me about lying to me about your ID and all that stuff so we can work this out? So obviously you knew you were suspended because why you gave me false info. Why did you
Didn't know
get?
nothing.
Okay, well you are suspended and there's really no other reason to lie to me. What
Oh.
What was your reasoning for lying to me about who you were?
I don't know.
You don't know? Did you know you were suspended?
No.
I mean, I guess there's nothing really more to ask you.
No,
You
yeah.
know? So we're gonna have a female come here and pat you down, and then
You just patted me down.
A female's gonna search you personally.
so we gotta wait for that.
So can I call my mom? Tell her I'm not making it for the party.
After she gets searched, I'll just bring her back to 19 if you want.
Oh, that'd be perfect.
And
Yeah.
then,
I'll call for
What about my
7.
stuff?
And well, your car's gonna get towed.
What about my purse?
Your purse?
With all my stuff?
I'll bring your purse.
I need to call my phone. My mom.
I'm gonna bring your phone. I'm gonna bring your ID,
I need the whole purse.
and I'm just gonna bring your little wallet thing.
I need my whole purse.
No. There's way too much stuff in there. I'm not bringing that to jail with you. It's gonna be in the car. So whenever you get the car back, it'll be in there.
Where's my car getting towed?
Whichever towing company comes.
So you're not gonna. Yeah.
Super Bravo 31.
Duh. Oh my goodness. That is a shame. Let's see what the comments say. Ah. Let's see. When she tells this story for the rest of her life, when the cop attacked me for no reason. Ah, my goodness. Let's see. Young man, if your mother wasn't driving with a license, I don't know. I'm gonna say that word right.
Resist.
Resist arrest and lying to a law enforcement. Look, I think I said it right. She would have been at her son birthday party. Should correct that. She would blame the officer, and the son will hate the cops instead of his mother. Oh, honey, it's the officer's fault. No, I'm saying I really do nothing. I was innocent. Oh, lying about her name. No wondering she was so. I don't know. Eager to get her wallet. This just keep getting better and better. Yes, it was. Sure, she got pulled up for a dark tin window. Now she was getting so suspicious about her wallet. I thought that's her real name, but her name is Ashley. Ashley, why you lie about your name, girl? The party, the phone, the hold on, how do you say that word? Ignorance. So yes, the party, the phone, the ignorance. Oh my goodness, boys and girls. It's just crazy though. Like that's why she's so to my can I see my wallet? That minute she was like, I won't be late for my son's birthday party. I won't be late for my son's birthday party. First I thought like, okay, she can pull up for a doctor. Let officer do what they gotta do. You know what I'm saying? But turn around though, it was getting more suspicious every two steps when the officer was about to do something. It's crazy though. But to me, boys and girls, I'm gonna wrap this up. If you made it to the end of the video, make sure you hit that like, subscribe, tell better on, comment below, and share it with your family. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you will help the channel lots. And hit me on Instagram, TikTok. Show you boys some love, all boys and girls. And I will see y'all next time. Deuces.